Hello everyone. Myself Mrs. Aarti Bhatt. I am the dance teacher of LP Savani Vidya Bhavan English Medium School. In today's session, we will continue with the steps of song Jai Ho Shankara. We started song in last session, and in today's session we are going to continue with the same song only. So first I will give you the steps without music, and then we will do it with the musics. So in last period, last session, we finished with this step. I think you all must have remember all these steps. Jai Ho Shankara. Here we have finished in last session. Now today we are going to start with the other steps. So this will be the last step. This was the last step, and now we will start with the other step. Now you have to open your this hand. Okay, and this will go down and you have to touch it here. Your right hand will be here and your left hand will be down. And 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your leg will be up like this. Okay, I will go little back so you will get the step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jai Ho Shankara. Adi Deva Shankara. So here one step. Okay, now you have to again join it. So two steps. First I already gave you in last step, last session, and from here we will start Adideva Shankara. Ta. Then you have to open your hand and side. Both the hands are up only, and you have to keep your leg up, and back side cross you have to bend. So you have to take your left leg up, both the hands open and bend. Then down, up, down. I think you are able to look at my hand. Down, up, down. See, this way our hand will go, and down and up and down. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now again you have to join, and from here you have to change your leg. 1, 2, 3. So this leg will bend, this hand will go up, this will be down. 1, 2, 3. Now you have to cross your leg, cross it, both the hands down and change. See, again I am showing it to you. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, while going back, from here when we are going back, we are taking our leg back. We have to take it up and back. Remember, this way you don't have to go. जैसे हाथ ऊपर जा रहे हैं, how we are taking our hands up, the leg also will go up to stop. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Again leg up, hand up and back. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Getting it? Now both the hands down and cross your leg. 1, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Now from front side you have to take turn, and while taking turn you have to take your leg like this, 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 this and this. What I did, I take my leg back. I am touching it to the my back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to jump. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, now while jumping, when I am jumping, no, my opposite leg will go back. If I am jumping this side, the opposite leg will go back side. Now if I will jump this side, the opposite leg will go back side. So see how we have taken turn, 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 turn. Then if we are jumping this side, jump and cross, If we are jumping this side, jump and cross, jump, cross, jump and cross. Again I am showing the whole choreography. From here we started. This was the last step of last session. Now from here we are supposed to do this step first, then join, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then you have to go down to up. While going up, only one hand up. See, both the hands and not both the hands you have to take up. Remember, both the hands down and one hand up, then 1. See, first if I am going this side, no, this leg only I will take 1, 2, 3, 4. In front you have to finish, then change your hand. It is very easy. If we are changing hand, going this side, our other leg will go back. 2 back, 2 back and back. And our hands are, our palms are like this. Tuck, tuck. But cross side. If you are not able to look it, say this way. Cross, cross, cross and cross. Okay. Now these all the steps we will try it with the music. Okay. This was the last step. First jump, leg up, join up, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, again I will show it this jump. Maybe this jump my hand you will not get, but I will finish and at the end again I will explain that jump. Okay. So one more time with the music.
जय जय शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना
1, 2, 3.
चले ये सांस किस तरह
1, 2, 3.
मेरा कर्म तू ही जान क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आँख मूंद के चला.
So inside you don't have to confuse 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you can start from either this side or that side. So inside you don't have to confuse, and next session we will continue with the next other steps. Till then, safe and home. You have to remember it. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.